Good morning, guys.
Hello.
We have Eric here, and
Nice
can
to
you
meet
tell
you.
us about your camper?
It's a 1976 JS715 that I refinished about 2 years ago. So I got it from this guy that took it off the frame and rebuilt it, and then I took over. He kind of got, I guess, tired of the project or whatever, and then I took it over from there and had to go through all the mechanics, plumbing, electrical, and interior. So basically it was just an empty shell when I bought it.
Oh, an empty shell. So I'm looking forward to seeing what you did with it. I really like this model.
Yeah, I mean, it's got all the modern features
Yes.
that you would want. It's got shower and set toilet and
Yeah, and you put the barn
yeah,
door
did the
on
barn
it.
door instead to make a little more room since I reconfigured the kitchen and got the air conditioning and got a little single burner that I put here and fan that vents outside and DVD, TV.
Oh, okay. You put your AC down there.
AC down there.
Where'd you put your burner?
Well, I have a.
Oh, you have a.
Yeah, I got it down in there. But I just
Okay.
put a little burner, a little butane burner here.
Yes.
So I have that. And then, yeah, fan that vents the outside. Lit. What do you call these things? Little oven and toaster. And I got this thing at an antique shop. It was like a Pepsi tray that turned into a drawer.
Okay.
I got all my DC battery stuff down there.
And your refrigerator, microwave.
Yeah.
So this is a toaster oven?
Yeah, it's like a toaster oven, and I think it's a convection oven or something too.
Oh, that's nice.
I think it's in a dehydrator or something. I think it's like
Ooh.
multi-function. Yeah, dehydrate, convection, bake, pizza, toast.
And I like
Does it all.
your countertop.
Yeah, I made that and that one to match.
And he has a TV up there, guys.
course.
Baskets, which is nice. This is-
Backlighting up here, got like LED. Actually, everything's LED. He's got hot water on demand, and I got a 30-gallon tank.
Wow.
And it's a tankless, and then if you're hooked up to like, a campground that has full hookups, then I just hook up the hose, and then it's endless hot water.
Right.
Yeah. All that. And hot water in the shower.
And I love your light. So
Yeah,
you
I
redid
that.
it.
That was the original one. Yeah,
Okay.
That I kind of just
You
refinished.
redid it. Because I was like, blue? I hadn't seen that before. Did you make your curtains?
No, somebody on Etsy made them.
Okay. And then you put a backsplash
Yeah,
up
put the
here.
backsplash up there. Yep.
Which is nice.
Yeah.
And man, I picked you your bathroom. You did a shower.
Yep. Shower and put everything in there.
Oh,
Hot
wow.
running water.
That is so nice.
Privacy glass up
Yes, I like the
Teak
bamboo.
floor.
Oh,
It's
teak.
teak.
Yeah,
Yeah,
teak.
it's
That
teak.
was teak. Okay,
Mhm.
because
Yeah.
that is great.
Yep.
Wonderful. It looks wonderful. And your little Scotty
Yep.
and succulents over there.
Yeah. And some artist in Maine, she had done that. I found that on Etsy too, which is a JS715.
Neat. That is neat. And you have your Scotty book.
Yep. In case you need reference.
That's right. So that is very, very nice. Let me get over it. Oh. Okay. Thank you, Eric.
You're welcome. Thanks for looking.
Thanks for sharing, Eric. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you on the road.